walking the lot here. So you see this lot here surveyed, cleared, mowed, but this one here is not. And we're looking at the one that's not. But it's a promising sign because somebody's doing something here. So would bring up the value of this one. Got a new house over there on that lot behind it, so that's a good sign. You know, when you're looking for these vacant lots, you want to look in neighborhoods and areas where things are happening, where development's going on, you know. So new house, new construction is a good sign. The lot next door is being cleared out, possibly for new construction or something like that, so that's good. I don't know if you can see there's another lot back there that looks like it's been cleared out. So when I leave here, I'll drive around and check on that. So all those are good signs that this area here is desirable in some form. I'm gonna walk back here. Hope there's no rattlesnakes, but talked to the owner. He said, go ahead, walk back there, see what you think, you know, all that. So pretty much already told him that at the price he's asking, we got us a deal, you know, barring anything crazy, you know. So, which doesn't look like there's anything crazy on this lot besides vegetation. So all that's pretty good, pretty promising looking. Gonna mess up my shoes. Oh man, just got caught in some sort of a vine. Okay, so anyway, you can see there's electric pole. That's a new construction house over there. I don't even think anybody's living there. I can still see the tags on the windows from the install. So maybe there's a home builder over here, because the lot next to it looks like it's been cleared out too. So I don't know if you can see that, but so good signs. It's a 50 by 100 lot, you know, pretty small, but that's the standard size lot out here in this subdivision. You know, the minimum build house size is, I think, 500 square foot to 750 square foot. So it's pretty close to the water, which is good. So a lot of people have like vacation homes, fishing cottages, stuff like that down in this neighborhood. And so that's why I focus on this neighborhood, because you've got people that want to be here. There's new construction going on. And I think I'm not gonna make a lot of money off this lot as a flip, but you know, it's pretty much a sure thing, and I'm comfortable with the neighborhood. So probably move forward on this one. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for walking the lot with me here.